Remember to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. This is brought to you by Valet Maids Dallas, your Dallas cleaning service. Use code SAVE30 for $30 off your first home cleaning at valetmaids.com. Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day. If you're anything like me, one of your favorite outdoor activities in Dallas is enjoying the company of friends and having a cocktail on a patio. And one of the great things about Dallas is that there are so many great patios to choose from. Pretty much no matter what you're in the mood for, you can find the perfect patio to fit your vibe. In this video, we'll discuss what D Magazine considers the best patios in Oaklawn, Design District, and the Park Cities areas. I took their list and then ranked each location based on their Google reviews to come up with a ranked list. Let me know in the comments if your favorite spot is mentioned and if there are any others that should be on the list but aren't. Here we go. Number 5, Jose. Jose is located at 4931 West Lovers Lane, and its patio is actually a work of art. It'll make you feel like you're actually in Mexico. D Magazine calls it a Guadalajaran Fantasy. The restaurant serves contemporary Mexican-inspired cuisine with a focus on authentic dishes celebrating true Mexican flavors and traditions, and they use local and seasonal ingredients. Reviewers love the service, friendly and attentive staff, as well as a unique and delicious food and drink. Executive chef Anastasia Quiones Pittman, I'm sorry if I mispronounced her name, was named Best Chef of the Year 2018 by Eater Dallas and won the Iron Fork from the Dallas Observer in 2018. Definitely add this to your list of places to check out. Parigi, whose name means Paris in Italian, gets the number 4 spot on our list with a 4.5 rating on Google. Located at 3311 Oaklawn, D Magazine says it's the see and be seen type of vibe, and is the perfect place to sip rosé or nibble on charcuterie with your chic sunglasses on. I agree. It's a chef-driven bistro with a menu that changes twice a month. They thrive to source their produce from local farmers, cheese from small batch cheesemakers, and seafood from sustainable and responsible fishermen. If you want a European bistro feel without leaving Dallas, check out Parigi. Number 3 on our list with a 4.5 rating is the Grapevine, which is located at 3902 Maple Avenue. They have the same rating as Parigi, but almost twice as many reviews, so the Grapevine gets the higher spot on our list. And honestly, it couldn't be more different from Parigi. This beloved bar has been voted Best Dive Bar, Best Straight Bar, Best Gay Bar, and Best Happy Hour, so it appeals to a wide range of people. Reviewers seem to love the cheap drinks and great atmosphere. Don't expect anything fancy here, but you'll have a great time if you know what to expect. Located at 2530 Butler Street, Celestial Brew Works gets the number 2 spot on our list. At Celestial, they believe that beer should be consumed in its freshest state. In fact, they admit to having an obsession with hops, and they only serve beer with the highest standards. One reviewer said it was a fun little place with forward-thinking range of beers and high-quality hops. Another said it had great beer, wonderful people, and a great community. Hop on over there when you get a chance. Get it? Hop on over? I know it's not funny, but I really cracked myself up. The top spot on our list with a 4.8 rating on Google and almost 3,000 reviews is Ferris Wheeler's Backyard and Barbecue. It's located at 1950 Market Center Boulevard in the middle of the Design District, and you can't miss the giant vintage non-operational 50-foot Ferris wheel. It has a dog-friendly playground and plenty of picnic tables. Come here to get your fill of brisket, banana pudding, pulled pork, and mac and cheese. It's definitely worth a visit. Well, there's our list of the best patios in Oaklawn, Park Cities, and Design District. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see another video with patios of other areas in Dallas. Just let me know. Thanks. This is brought to you by Valet Maids Dallas, your Dallas cleaning service. Use code SAVE30 for $30 off your first home cleaning at valetmaids.com. Remember to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications.